Hey everyone, Matt here with your June 2026 Texas Hill Country STR market recap. June was a really encouraging month across the Texas Hill Country, and what stood out to me wasn't just one market. It was the fact that every market we tracked generated more revenue than it did a year ago. That's not something we've been able to say very often. Let's start with Canyon Lake. After a challenging 2025 marked by persistently low lake levels, this market appears to be turning a corner. Occupancy increased 3.5%, revenue climbed more than 9%, ADR slightly ticked up, and RevPAR improved 4.5%. Those aren't the flashiest numbers, but they're a welcoming sign for a market that's been working its way back. New Braunfels also had a solid June. Occupancy increased 4.5%, helping offset a 5% decline in ADR. Revenue still finished nearly 2% higher than last year, showing that operators who stayed competitive on pricing were able to keep their calendars full. If there were two clear winners this month, they would be Wimberley and Dripping Springs. And I feel like I say this a lot these days. Wimberley posted a 14% increase in occupancy, nearly 17% revenue growth, and RevPAR jumped more than 18%. Dripping Springs was even stronger, leading the region with occupancy up more than 20%, revenue up nearly 21%, RevPAR increasing over 23%. Y'all, I've been telling you this for a while. If you're thinking about investing in a short-term rental in Dripping Springs or Wimberley, you need to give me a call. I feel like I've been waving this flag for months, and these numbers keep proving us why. Fredericksburg had a different story. Occupancy improved more than 7%, but ADR declined about 6%, leaving revenue and RevPAR only modestly ahead of last year. It appears operators were willing to give up a little rate to drive bookings. Lake Travis followed a similar pattern. ADR dipped slightly, but occupancy climbed nearly 14%, resulting in a 10% increase in revenue and 12% in RevPAR. So here's what I'll be watching. Wimberley and Dripping Springs continue to separate themselves from the pack. Canyon Lake is showing encouraging signs after a difficult year, and the rest of the Hill Country is proving there's more than one way to grow. If these trends continue into July, we could be looking at one of the strongest summers we've seen in quite some time. Thanks so much for watching, and happy hosting.